In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to repair Excel file. If an Excel workbook won't open, crashes, or shows a corruption message, Excel has a built-in way to try recovering it. I'll walk you through the exact sequence so you use the repair feature correctly and give your file the best chance of coming back to life. Start by launching Microsoft Excel on your device without opening the broken file. This is important. Don't double-click the problematic workbook from your desktop or File Explorer because that attempts a normal open and can trigger the same error loop. Instead, open a blank Excel window first so you can use the special repair option. Once Excel is open, go to the top left and click File. This takes you into the Backstage view where you can manage and open files. From there, choose Open. You'll see recent files and locations you can browse. Next, click Browse to open your system's file picker. Navigate to the folder where your corrupted workbook is stored. If you're not sure where it lives, check common locations like Documents, Desktop, or Downloads. You can also filter by file type to spot common Excel formats such as .xlsx, .xls, or .slsm. When you find the file, click it once to select it, but don't double-click. A single click highlights the file so you can access more options. This pause is key. Opening it the usual way won't engage Excel's repair tools. Now look to the bottom right of the dialog for the Open button. There's a small arrow next to it. Click that arrow to reveal additional options. This little drop-down is easy to miss, but it's where the repair feature lives. From the drop-down menu, select Open and Repair. Choosing this tells Excel to attempt recovery rather than just loading the file normally. You'll then see a prompt with choices for how to proceed. Click Repair to recover as much data as possible. Excel will try to reconstruct the workbook's contents, including sheets, values, formulas, and formatting. Depending on the file size and level of damage, this may take a moment. Let it work. Interrupting the process can reduce your chances of a good recovery. If the repair succeeds, your workbook will open in Excel. Review your sheets to confirm the data looks right and continue working as needed. That's the full process. By opening Excel first, selecting the file once, and using Open and Repair with the repair option, you're using Microsoft's built-in method for recovering a damaged workbook in the safest possible way.